What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here. You're right on the HRC, and excuse the little scenery thing right here, but I gotta clean up and I don't have time to do it. I just wanted to do this little haul video, and yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna start off with my biggest key because I just kind of wanted to get this out of the way. If you don't have time to watch a whole video, I understand. We all have things to do. But if you would like to stick around, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is actually, it was a pretty good day, pretty good haul. So yeah, without further ado,
whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
I got Fantastic Four number 66, so I gotta get 67 of course, and Thor 165, so I'm getting that FOMO. This is part 1 of 2 for the origin of Adam Warlock, so check it out. Fantastic Four number 66. It's actually pretty great. The pages look great inside. I got these nice little Mylars. I'm gonna put this one in, and probably some other keys that I've already unboxed. For example, this Carnage My Mom, but yeah, you already saw that. So let's go ahead and see what else I got. I got the Eternals number 5. Couldn't remember if I got Eternals 3. I think I already grabbed it. And then here's Eternal number 6, but unfortunately, look at the top of that one. Yikes. That's okay. Reader copies. Alright, some moderns that I got. I got Spider-Man and the League of Realms. This is a War of Realms tie-in. And also Gideon Falls. I don't know how I missed out on those. Yikes. Wallet. Burning. So if you've seen my last 2 haul videos, I'm probably going to title this one Haul 3. I'm going to probably do this not weekly, maybe like once a paycheck. But I'm on this kick where I'm grabbing these Preludes. So I got Ant-Man, the first one, Prelude, number 1 of 2. And here is 2 of 2. And ignore the stickers, I actually got these for great deals, and I also have a discount card. I will show this. Actually, okay, so this was a set. I got Spider-Man Far From Home, number 1, and number 2. I gotta put them in bags and boards. I actually just got home, and I couldn't wait to show you. Spider-Man Homecoming, number 1 of 2, and 2 of 2. I'm so excited. And then I got this set. Let me go ahead and take these out of the little set thing, because there's 3. Be careful. I don't know why they do that. No bags. There's number 1. And number 2. And number 3. This is for Endgame. If you didn't know. Spoiler alert. Actually, it's a prelude, so I can spoil. I got this one. The set was actually more expensive. They had a deal. Buy 4 back issues, and it's like $10, unless it's like cheaper. But yeah, Thor Ragnarok. So I now have Ragnarok and Dark World. I need, in quotations, the Thor, the first Thor Prelude. There's number 3, and my favorite one out of the 4 is the one with Loki on it. Badass. Tom Hiddleston is badass. And then I also got Ant-Man and the Wasp Prelude, number 1. of 2 and number 2 of 2, which, by the way, I thought was one of my favorite MCU movies. Some may disagree. And then I got Captain Marvel, number 1. So, pretty great haul, in my opinion, if you ask me, but that's just me. Please let me know in the comment section below, do you think I should sell these and not hold them? Comics.altruism commented on my last video, and he said that, you know, these Prelude issues are great because the print runs lower, and I agree. I actually was kicking myself in the butt because I didn't get the endgame Preludes, but I ended up getting them, so I'm good to go. But yeah, oh, I also got this in the dollar bin. Okay. Yeah, dollar bin. First appearance of Braun. Not the first appearance of Amadeus Cho, but first appearance of Amadeus Cho as Braun. And Ironheart's new armor. But yeah, speculation. So yeah, that's all I got. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being here. Truly, truly, truly means a lot to me. See you at the next stop. And don't forget, if you come to a path or a fork in the road, always take the high road.